Welcome back, everybody, to this segment with Kelley McBride, Public Information Officer with the Madison County Health Department. She has this week's update. Kelley, take it away.
I do have an update. As many of you all have been hearing in the media, there has been a tremendous escalation of COVID-19 cases. We are led to believe that it is mostly Omicron, but I do know, Delta is still out there as well. So I don't want to say it doesn't matter which one you get, but if you have COVID-19 and you are suffering the symptoms and the effects of that, you need to stay in and isolate. The Kentucky Department for Public Health has provided all of the local health departments and the whole Commonwealth with information and guidance on what to do. We have shared that on our social media, and we will keep up to date with those updates from the Kentucky Department for Public Health.
Okay.
So, your guidance on isolation and quarantine. But the governor spoke a couple different times this week. But on Monday, he was talking about the escalation of cases,
right,
and the escalation of our positivity rate, and the escalation of our incidence rates. So if you're following our reports on social media, then you do know that those numbers are rising. This is a serious situation. So we continue to promote folks to avoid crowds, stay home if you're sick, continue that hand washing, the social distancing, wearing a facial covering over your nose and mouth. All those things that we have been promoting since the beginning. The Omicron variant is vastly more contagious than the Delta has been. So that's one reason we're seeing increases in cases. And this week, we expect our numbers to be the highest that they've been in a week throughout the whole pandemic.
Okay.
So just wanted to lay that out there for folks. Take this seriously, and calculate your risks. And please find a COVID-19 vaccine if you are eligible, if you are able to take a vaccine. Get a booster. Talk to your primary care health provider and your pediatrician about your and your family's, your children's vaccines. So just wanted to stress that as our number one point this week.
Right. Get your vaccine, get your vaccine, get your vaccine.
Yes.
Right. Excellent.
And then all the mitigation efforts that you clearly shared with us again, Kelley. We know that you have other items of health at the Madison County Health Department that you are here to share with us. So tell us about that, Kelley.
We do. During the pandemic, we are trying to continue things such as community health education. And Lloyd Jordison is the person that directs that for us, and he has shared several things. He pointed out to me that Baptist Health Richmond and their partners in Louisville are providing a plan to be tobacco free.
Okay.
So as we start a new year, January is a good time to make those resolutions of being tobacco free as one of those things. So they have a free one-time class for anyone thinking about quitting tobacco, and it's coming up quick, January the 12th from 4 to 5. And I have provided you guys with a link to that.
Yep.
And for more information.
Absolutely. Yeah. Jump on that, get that, because that is January the 12th, so it is coming up quick. You are correct.
It's coming up fast. That's right.
Kelley, we know that I believe this month is Cervical Cancer Awareness Month. Can you tell us more about that?
Sure. Thank you so much for bringing that up. Cervical Health Awareness Month. I have to catch myself too. They are the American Cancer Society has a great link on their website about Cervical Health Awareness Month, and I had a message written down. I had seen a public service announcement from Appalachian regional regional hospitals.
Okay.
I'm gonna read it off of here because I wrote it down. They were saying cervical cancer is the second most common cancer in women worldwide, and it is even higher in Appalachia.
Really?
So the fact that this cancer is preventable through screenings and also vaccination is just really important to be aware of that. And we would like people to check out their website and all the other information about Cervical Health Awareness Month.
Excellent. And I'll put that link up there. And there's also a phone number too. Is that the Barnstable Brown Education Center?
No, that is for the virtual diabetes prevention program.
Oh, I've jumped ahead. Well, hey, that's a great segue. How about telling us about that, Kelley?
I was going to say, you just segued that so seamlessly, Randy. Yes, there is a virtual diabetes prevention program through UK Healthcare and the Barnstable Brown Foundation.
Okay.
So we do have a phone number, 859-323-2232. There's also a link on their website to fill out a diabetes prevention program form. And this is something else that's coming up quickly. January 11 is the introductory session.
Oh, okay. That's real quick. That's next Tuesday, right?
Yeah. So all sessions it's every week, and it's online. It's on Zoom.
Oh, cool. Yeah, that's right. Okay.
Yeah, from noon to 1
Okay.
is my understanding of that. So we wanted to make sure that people were aware of these options to be planned to be tobacco free, and then also if you were wanting to improve your health to prevent diabetes.
Right. Absolutely. Absolutely. That's very good information. Of course, watch the Madison County Health Department's Facebook page and, of course, the website, MadisonCountyHealthDEPT.org. And you all have a great clearinghouse for all of that education information.
Thank you. We try our best. We've got a great team.
You sure do. You sure do.
Kelley, as always, we appreciate you being with us here this evening. And please, once again, thanks your entire team at the Madison County Health Department for us.
Will do. Thank you.
All right, folks, we'll be right back.